So hi, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for those who don't know me, hi, my name is Kimmy, and what I do is basically just vlog everything that I want to vlog. Okay, so for today, what we are going to do is we are going to create the very epitome of a Vsco girl. Yeah! So it's quite a trend lately, being a Vsco. So what I did, research the meaning of Vsco girl. So what came up from my research is Vsco girl is a term generally as an insult for a young, usually white woman who posts trendy pictures of herself edited on the app Vsco. Okay, so that's quite harsh. But anyway, what I did see from this, to become a Vsco, is you need the following things. Okay, so I will just post a picture on this part right here. I would like to start creating the look. Okay, so basically you need to have a clear skin. Okay, I already prepped my skin, and now what I would like to do is to use this water spray from Balea, this one. Okay, so I will just let it dry for a second. Okay, afterwards, I would like to conceal all the dark. Okay, so suddenly my camera stopped filming, so what I want to do is to conceal the dark area under my eyes using a concealer, and then just remove it completely. Not completely remove, but just to cover it up. I will try to put on a foundation. Okay, so now what I would like to do is to conceal this dark spot under here and also here. Okay, now what I would like to do is to use a foundation. Okay, so now that I am done with my face, what I would like to do is to proceed with my eyebrows. Unfortunately, I cannot proceed with an eyebrow like this, because what I noticed with these Vsco girls are they have this bushy brows going upwards like this, like it's crazy upwards. I don't know what's up with these children lately with their obsessions with the eyebrows. And then I will be back after. I'm back with these eyebrows. As you can see, everything is going upwards like that. Yeah. Okay, now let's proceed into making our dream brows. Okay, so I noticed that the Vsco girl have this straight looking eyebrows, so we will try to copy that. I will be using a normal brow powder for this. I am done with my bushy brows. As you can see, it's not that intense like those girls, but it's almost there. Oh, okay, anyway, for the eyes, I noticed that they like it really natural, so I will take the most natural shade that I had right here in this palette. I will just take the brown shade and then just lightly, really light, brush it around here. Now that I am done with my eyes, I will take this curl lash, and then just curl my eyelashes. Now that I am done with my eyelashes, I just finished curling them. Now what I would like to do is to apply a mascara and just very lightly make it as natural as you can. Anyway, I will take this powder for contouring from Benefit, and then just try to contour a little bit. What I would like to do next is to take a really natural blush that I have with me, and just basically put it here on this part. I would like to go back to my nose area because I noticed that these girls have a tall nose. So basically I'll just take a powder from the contour and then just do like this, you know, like I've always told you, like this. And then just go here on the side of your nose, like this. What I would like to do is to go back with the blush and just take a little bit of this, because I noticed that these girls have this sun-kissed looking skin. It's like they went surfing or something, you know. It's like they look like they love to surf. So I'll just go on and put some of those blush on my nose like this. So now that I look pretty much natural with this makeup, what I would like to do is to take my lipstick that looks really natural, but unfortunately I don't have it. I'll just apply first my lip moisturizer. Now that I am done with the moisturizer, I would like to apply this lip liner. Unfortunately, this is the most natural one that I have, so I'll just use it on my lips. Okay, so for the hairstyle, I tried to look for the hairstyle that these Vsco girls do, and these are the pictures that came out from Google. So now, let's try to fix our hair. Okay, so now that I am done with my hairstyle, I feel like I'm a complete Vsco girl right now. Oh my god, I'm so loving this look. It's so fun and it's so really light. Feels like I'm YOLO, you know. Oh, we cannot forget, guys, save the turtles. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. Okay, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I hope to see you again on my next one. Save the turtles! Bye!